I am Kadosh Sharma and you're watching Rhythm. The Reserve Bank of India has warned against the escalating adoption of crypto assets, including stablecoins, emphasizing their potential to disrupt India's macroeconomic and financial stability. In its latest financial stability report released on December 30, the central bank outlined how unchecked crypto proliferation could undermine the core pillars of economic management. The RBI highlighted that the widespread use of cryptocurrencies could dilute the effectiveness of monetary policy, a crucial tool for maintaining economic stability. By bypassing traditional financial channels, these digital assets threaten to erode the central bank's ability to regulate liquidity and credit flows in the economy. This could exacerbate fiscal vulnerabilities and weaken India's capital flow management measures. Furthermore, the diversion of resources into speculative crypto market risks, depriving the real economy of much needed funding, potentially stalling critical investments in infrastructure, manufacturing, and services. The report also flagged broader global concerns, noting that the intertwining of crypto market with traditional financial systems could heighten systematic risks worldwide. Stablecoins, a subset of cryptocurrencies pegged to reserve assets like the US dollar, have gained significant traction in recent years. While their design ostensibly reduces volatility, the RBI cautioned that they could present run risk where a sudden loss of confidence triggers mass withdrawals, destabilizing the financial ecosystem. This risk is amplified as stablecoins increasingly serve as conduits for lending, borrowing, and trading within the digital asset market. The RBI also raised concerns about distributed ledger technology based tokenization, which enables the creation of digital representations of real world assets such as bank deposits and government securities. While the technology remains nascent, the report warned of its potential exacerbate liquidity mismatches, leverage risk, and asset price volatility, particularly as it deepens the interconnectedness between traditional and decentralized financial systems. Despite these warnings, India's crypto adoption continues to surge. Homegrown exchanges like CoinDCX and CoinSwitch have amassed millions of users, reflecting the growing public appetite for digital assets. This trend coincides with the soaring prices of virtual digital assets such as Bitcoin, which recently reached an unprecedented height of 1,08,316 US dollars. The increasing market capitalization of stablecoins further underscores the expanding footprint of cryptocurrencies in the financial landscape. The RBI's warning serves as a clearing call for heightened regulatory oversight. While acknowledging that the crypto market's current size remains relatively small, the central bank stressed the urgency of preemptive measures to mitigate emerging risks. Drawing from the International Monetary Fund Financial Stability Board synthesizes paper, the RBI underscored the systematic dangers posed by growing integration of crypto assets with traditional financial systems. To address these concerns, India must adopt a multi-pronged approach. The first can be to establish a robust regulatory framework that governs the issuance, trading, and use of crypto assets, ensuring transparency and accountability. The second approach is to accelerate the development and adoption of a digital rupee to offer a secure, regulative alternative to cryptocurrencies, thus mitigating their disruptive potential. The third approach can be educate citizens about the risks associated with crypto investments to prevent speculative bubbles and financial losses. The fourth approach can be engage with international bodies to harmonize regulatory standards and share the best practices for managing crypto-related risks. India's economic resilience depends on its ability to navigate the challenges posed by the crypto revolution. Proactive measures guided by the balanced approach to innovation and risk management will be crucial in safeguarding the nation's financial stability.